Hello everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. My name is Divya Jain. Okay, this is the reading for the zodiac sign Sagittarius. Okay, this is the reading. It's a timeless reading. This is the reading for three topics: the desire, the direction, and the detail. Okay, let's check it out. What's going on with Sagittarius, my dear fiery signs? Okay, one important thing, guys, if you want to support my channel with the help of donation via Google Pay and PayPal, the details are given in the description box below. I'll be appreciating for all the karma donations. And second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book online 10 days tarot learning workshop, the details are given in the description box below. The fourth most important thing, guys, is that if you want to be a part of Vasol giveaway, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, and also I'm doing live sessions on daily basis between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So if you want to check it out what's going on with you guys, you can. There is a weekly schedule which I update every single day, so you can check it out over there, my live sessions. Okay, and you can ask live questions as well. Okay, so what is your desire, what is your direction, and what is the detail you're going through, Sagittarius? Let me check it out. Also, one more thing, guys, I've also started a workshop, 15 days workshop on numerology. If you want to join my session for the full course, how to do it, what are the numbers, what are the life numbers, special numbers, basics of numerology, everything. So the details are given in the description box below. Okay, yes, guys. Okay, what is the desire, the direction, and the detail? Your desires, your desire is Three of Pentacles. Okay, what is the direction? What is the direction, universe? What is the direction? Your direction is the world. Wow, good energy. And what is the detail to go about it? The detail is Ten of Swords. Wow, guys. Okay, let me check it out. What is your desire? You're thinking to rebuild something, to rebuild your own finances. Okay, you're waiting for some sort of an offer. You are thinking to rebuild something, you are regaining your power back. Okay, and that's why you're thinking to rebuild something, and that is your desire. You're waiting for some sort of an offer related to your finances and money, Sagittarius. Okay, and you are regaining your power. Once you regain your power, you'll be start thinking about your rebuilding of finances. You are waiting for some sort of an opportunity when it comes to your finances, money related thing, deals, cracking deal, clients, something related to your career. Okay, your direction is the world. Ending of a lot of deception, dishonesty, problems, moving away from lot of sneaky energies, negative energies. Okay, ending of some sort of karmic wheel is happening for you guys. Yeah, ending of some sort of releasing all those toxic situations, toxic burdens, releasing all those confusions, conflicts, problems into your life, and moving ahead towards your pentacles, towards your money, towards your finances, taking an action towards your finances, towards rebuilding your finances. Okay, thinking about it, hoping it, believing it. Yes, releasing all the sadness, depressed energy, anxiety issues, moving ahead towards a lot of good opportunities, because there is some sort of karmic cycle is playing its role in the direction sector. Okay, yes, let me check it out what is going on with details. So there is some sort of ending of a betrayal, deception, lies, dishonesty is happening. Okay, for you guys. Let me check it out what's going on. Yes, ending of some sort of betrayal, dishonesty, deception, lies, ending, some internal transformation is taking place for you guys. You are thinking to move forward, okay? That is coming under detail, okay? So we have Queen of Wands, King of Wands. Wow, it's a very good energy. It's a divinely guided, okay? So lot of abundance is coming into your way if you are believing in your money related thing, if your finances are stuck, something like that. And if you are unable to move forward when it comes to your career life, when it comes to your finances, then definitely some sort of an ending is taking place, because some sort of a decision is going to take place for you guys, okay? Some sort of decision is going to take place. You have to think about whether you want to stay in this energy or you want to move forward, okay? If you are thinking to stay in this energy, then karmic cycle won't play its role, okay? That karmic cycle won't be coming up to an end. And if you are thinking to move ahead, to move forward into your life, then some sort of this wheel, this karmic cycle will turn into your favor, okay? Yes. So some sort of decision needs to take place for sure. Some sort of decision is going to take place. Yes, you have to take action towards moving forward. You will be enthusiastic. You have to take an action. You are, ruled by Leo, okay? So you have to be, you have to be a badass person, and you have to move forward into your life. You have to take action to move forward, releasing all the negative energy, toxic situation, bad energies, betrayals, dishonesty, deception, okay? And moving forward, taking action and moving forward when it comes to your finances, when it comes to your opportunities, when it comes to your money related thing, okay? So yes guys, yes, you are moving away from someone or something, okay? And moving forward towards building up your own career, building up your own finances, building up your own life, which is really good guys. Sagittarius, this is coming under detail, ending of some sort of toxic situation, toxic cycle, bad situation, bad cycle is happening, and establishing, starting of something new, beginning of something new is definitely taking place for you guys, okay? So yeah, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, and kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasoul Tarot Prediction, and comment down below how was it. Thank you so much guys.